Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we going to start with today? We've got Data and Worf on the top row. They're from Star Trek, aren't they? But I can't see 2 other characters, so maybe that's just the theme that they were going for, but it's not actually a red herring. What else could we have? Go out is another word for exit, perhaps. Labour is a form of exiting. I mean, labour and birth are the same thing. Or not the same thing, but they're clearly connected. Intelligence and education are very similar, and they're next to each other. I suspect that might be a red herring as well. Intelligence could be artificial. Can you have an artificial labour, artificial data, artificial information? I'm really not convinced by that. Details, information, data, and intelligence feel like they could go together, though. I can't see anything else that might go in that group, so we'll try these 4. Yeah, they're just the findings. Right. What else? Leftovers starts with the word left. Is that relevant? Because I can't see 3 other things to do with Christmas dinner. Commerce. Oh, commerce and peer. They're both to do with chambers and the House of Commons and the House of Lords, perhaps, and maybe the American equivalents. I'm not certain. And again, that's only 2. I don't see how that's going to extend to a group of 4. You can give birth, but again, I can't see 3 other words that can come after the word give. Doc is from Snow White. It's an abbreviation for doctor. It's cod backwards. None of those seem relevant. Oh dear. Go out. How is that going to be connected to anything else? I don't know. If it was gone out, then maybe you'd say that starts with gone, and leftovers starts with left, and if something's gone and it's left, they're synonyms. I suppose deliver sort of works. I'm really not convinced by that. And what else is Worf gonna be? It's not spelt the same way as the animal, so it's got to refer to the Star Trek character, doesn't it? Unless the thing is you can just change one letter to make Worf. But how is that going to help? Oh dear, struggling a bit. I can't even think of anything plausible, let alone anything that I'm confident about. Peering could also mean having a look. I don't know. You can generate energy. You can be the energy minister, the commerce minister, and the labour minister, potentially. Oh, and the education. They're probably just, yeah, parts of government. Yeah, US cabinet departments. There we go. Obviously, I'd have got that much quicker if labour was spelled correct. Right. What about the last 2 groups? Birth and delivery really seem familiar, but I don't see. I mean, I wouldn't describe giving birth, as when the baby goes out. There's a doc there. I mean, it's a doctor though. Why would it say doc rather than doctor? Not certain at all. That's 1 letter away from deer, and that's 1 letter away from wolf. Is that relevant? if anything, that's one letter away from dog. Cook or birth seem like the most likely ones to be one letter away from another animal, but I cannot see how either of them are going to work. Birch, as in birch tree, that's one letter away. But birch is obviously not an animal. I mean, if I go for those four, what are the others? Go out, delivery, leftovers, and cook. Oh, of course, it is going to be those four, because they're just ways of getting a meal. So we'll try these four. They're homophones of places to park a ship. A berth, a dock, a pier, and a wharf. Okay. So it's WHARF is what I was meant to think, and then PIER, and then DOCK and BERTH. Okay, fair enough. I didn't work that out, but it doesn't matter. I put the correct four things together, and that's basically because I did work out this group. They're all dinner options. I feel like I should have got that much quicker. I'm not sure they were already red herrings, I just wasn't thinking along the right lines. But I didn't make any mistakes. So it is still a perfect connections game, just a little bit slower than I would have liked. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.